Time-starved customers are looking for auto repair services to come to them. Auto repair is not just about dropping cars off at garages anymore. The future is mobile, and it's revolutionizing the way we think about car care. Consider this. Traditional auto repair shops come with hefty startup costs. Think high real estate rent, costly utility bills, and expensive tools and equipment. But with a mobile auto repair service, your shop is wherever your clients need you to be. This isn't just convenient for customers, it's incredibly cost-effective for business owners like you. Lower overhead means lower risk and higher potential returns on your investment. Plus, you add customer convenience as a key competitive advantage. Stuck in one location, never. Your service area is as big as you want it to be. And let's not forget customer satisfaction. When you bring the repair service right to someone's doorstep or office parking lot, you're not just fixing problems, you're saving your customers time, energy, and hassle. That level of service can turn customers into lifelong brand fans. So, why invest in mobile auto repair? Because in a world where time is as important as money, a business on wheels is in high demand.